All right, back for another day. We almost got taken out. I took partials here at this H4 order block as well as this H4 fair value gap and put stops at break even. So now I am hoping that we go here or there. I'm not like I'm okay with either way, and I'm gonna go into the reason why I took profits here instead of here. It's essentially because this is random and this is like the extreme target, and I just put this here to get like a 2 hour trade. So there's no like fundamental basis when like the trade should have been there here. I'm just doing this now to see if this kind of helps me into taking lower risk reward trades like 1.8s 1.9s, just to see if I can slowly get used to it. But yeah, have this here now, this final contract here stops at break even. If it goes back to break even, I make 170 something dollars. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It looks like it's gonna take the partial here out, but I'm gonna go into my bias for the day. So we got CPI. CPI takes out the daily candle. Not daily candle. CPI takes daily for value gap, and just above here is a 1 hour and 4 hour for value gap. So I'm thinking, okay, let me just put this back where it is. I'm thinking, okay, if this is like really bullish, I want to see something like this. Like I want to see this get respected like it did here. But at the same time, I want to see like the 15-minute close above here for like a possible continuation. That said, we didn't get the 15-minute close, and this is where I started to become more bearish. And we also got this close right here on this 1 hour, which I also made me more bearish. Then you got this 15-minute where we tried at this point right here on this candle. This looks, how do I say? This looks bullish once we are trading above here. And I said, okay, I want to see us closing above here to flip bullish. If we respect this small, tiny, internal, bearish 15-minute order block, I'm going to flip bullish and I'm going to flip bearish and just go with my trades. There's too much going on here. I can't focus properly. With that said, here at this point here, we got this at the 5 minute doesn't look too good, but once we start having this down close candle, I was almost placing this trade with the stops there, and my target would have been here, which by the way would have already hit TP. But this was, I would say, a bad habit because it simply didn't make any sense for me to do this when all I wanted was the 5 minute to close below this line, breaking 5 minute structure. Where is it? Breaking this 5 minute structure right here, and look for bearish setups. Once we had this, I noticed this fair value gap right here and this 5 minute extreme order block. Then I said I want to see a reaction from it, ideally from both. Got the reaction, which is this one right here. Got the close, ended up getting filled right here. Then we just pump higher. It almost took me out. And while this was going higher, I said, okay, I mean, I got everything going on in my favor. There's a 1 minute inverted fair value gap inside a 1 minute big order block. We're also respected this extreme, closed below, and respected this fair value gap. I'm not saying that we cannot go there again, but I'm saying it's unlikely that we go higher than that. Uh, Again, I was just looking for reasons as to why I should have not taken the trade, and for me, this was pretty clear to take. I should have taken this, and even if it was a loss, I was completely fine with it. And eventually, it just reverted, and at this point right here, like you can see, it's 2:30, and I'm thinking, what are the chances that this tiny 1 minute order block, tiny 1 minute like extreme order block holds against a 15-minute power free? So to me, I was said, okay, I'm getting stopped out here. I don't care. Didn't get stopped out. That actually held, and then we just tanked. And while we were trading here, I was thinking, this looks like Sunday reverse now. While we were trading down here, I was thinking, should I, hold it till there, or should I just close the trade? Or should I just take partials? Because I believe like this 4 hour will produce a reaction and we can go internally bearish, internally bullish to then go bearish again. You can see that's exactly what happened. You can see like it's also these 5 minute lows, also these 15-minute lows. There's this fair value gap right here. So I still believe this was the smartest choice to do. And yeah, just decided to record the video because I'm not gonna sit here for much more time. I actually got other stuff to do, so I'm gonna go and take care of that. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.